I finally got my hands on the beautiful mini Rowan from the Powder Pink collection. I manifested her and I finally have her. It was definitely worth the wait. And I'm so glad I did not give in and purchase these from the online resellers. They're trying to resell these handbags for over 3 times the retail price. I've seen these all over Mercari, Facebook, eBay, you name it. And all these resellers are incredibly crazy trying to sell these bags at triple the price. I do not support these kind of greedy resellers who go out there. They know that we're going to go crazy over viral, beautiful things like this, and they purchase multiples. I'm talking about like 5, 6, 7 handbags at once and trying to make money off of us. I am a firm believer that if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. And clearly, this was meant for me because I found her in store. But anyway, if you're new here, hello, my name is Fabiola. I love creating all kinds of pink content. If that's something you love, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I am thrilled. I can't believe I found her. I had 2 bags from this collection that were on my wish list. These were 2 bags that I truly really wanted the moment they launched. One was the Emily handbag, which I actually already got, and I did a whole unboxing on that. I was so excited with that purse. And then this one here is the second one. The entire collection is beautiful, but there was 2 bags that just kind of stood out the most for me. So the bag that I got is the ta-da! Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. She is the beautiful mini Rowan in the Powder Pink collection. There is a bigger version of this one. For me, it was just a little too big, too bulky, because I do like to carry my bags as crossbodies. And this is just so beautiful. It is so cute. I love her, and I love that this collection comes with charms already on the purse. And let's talk about the color, because I think the color is everything with this collection. That is what stands out the most. The color is beautiful. It's like a light shade of pink with the Coach logo in a lighter shade, and then it has this beautiful light brown trim, which just makes them so classy, elegant, girly, and perfect for spring and summer. I'm obsessed, like totally obsessed with the contrast between the light brown and the pink. You know, when you go in store and you finally see it for the first time in person, I was like, wow, yes, this was totally meant to be for me. So it does come with a larger strap. Like I said, I do like to use my purses as crossbodies most of the time because my hands always have stuff on them. So I'm always carrying tons of things in my hands. That's my cat pooping. Oh, what a great time to poop. I also love that the inside is all pink and not a different color. I hate when it has a different color than the outside of the purse, and I'm loving that they did pink. So pretty. You have the Coach tag in here, and then on the other side there is 2 slots for credit cards. So if you don't want to carry your wallet, you can just put your cards in here. But it's really cute. It's pretty spacious actually. I love small little bags like this, and I can definitely fit most of my essentials in here. That's all I need. I do want to show you my other purse. This one is the Emily purse, also from the same collection. It's the exact same color, again, with the same colored hardware. Only difference is that it has this beautiful flower leather charm. As to this one, does not. I believe the larger Rowan does come with that, but honestly, I can just borrow it from this one and put it in this bag if that's what I wanted to do. But I'm so happy with my bags. She is just so pretty, and it's gonna look so cute when I display her in my room. I can't wait to use her. I'm obsessed. So we're going to add some of my essentials so you can see what fits inside. So that was it for today's unboxing. I am thrilled with my new bag. I hope you loved today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, were you able to get anything from this collection and what is on your wish list? I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.